Well, hello, my dear friends. I hope that all of you are safe and sound wherever you are, and most importantly, healthy. So, guys, as we all know, that 2020 has been a year like no other. COVID has taught us a lot of things. It has impacted us directly, indirectly, and there is no one who is not at all impacted by COVID, right? Many of us have faced job losses, pay cuts. Many of us have even taken up additional courses to reskill ourselves. And the worst impacted of all of them are newcomers who came to Canada, but because of COVID, they were not able to get employment, and they are struggling. So basically, the bottom line that I want to tell is that many of us have suffered professionally, personally, because of COVID. Correct? Guys, at this point, the market is opening up, but still there are a lot of uncertainties. Correct? At this point, if I tell you that amidst of all these uncertainties, there is one agency which will help you to find your job, which will give you all the resources, provide you with all the information, give you the right kind of guidance, and will assure you that you land a job. And all these services is given to you free of cost. Yes, my dear friends, free of cost. If this interests you, then I am going to discuss about one such agency in this particular video. So I would request you all to please stick around till the very end. So guys, the name of this agency is Next Steps Employment Center, or NSEC in short. It is funded by Employment Ontario as well as Toronto School District Board. So guys, they have 7 locations in Mississauga, Toronto and Vaughan collectively. You can visit any of these locations, but because of COVID, currently it is closed and they are operating online. Guys, honestly, I am in Canada from last 3 years and I had never heard about such institute, and I was not at all aware of this wonderful program that they are offering. Guys, this agency has been in place from last many years and many people have taken benefit of it. But just because of the fact that I was not aware of this and I did not take benefit of this program when I first came to Canada, it makes me more motivated to inform people about this wonderful program and the wonderful services that they are giving. So I request you all to please watch this video till the very end. And now let's get started. So guys, the first basic service is job search help. So they'll be assigning a mentor who will be assisting you one-to-one on how to find a job. Second one would be interview polishing skills, how to present for an interview, how to crack an interview, something like that. Third, they will be providing with you all the resources that will help you in order to better find a job. Fourth is resume building and Canadian style resume making. So they'll be basically tailoring your resume as per Canadian standards so that your chances of getting selected increases. Number 5, they will also provide financial support. And by financial support, what I mean is, assume that you are going for an interview and you do not have enough money to buy for proper interview attire. So they'll be providing you financial assistance for that. Or maybe say you need some short courses which will aid you to better be prepared for your job hunting. So they'll be arranging for that as well. Or say, for example, if your job needs some kind of special equipment, so they will be arranging that also. So basically the point that I want to make is, whatever you need for your job search, they will be helping you with that. But again, there are certain eligibility criteria which you will be able to find out when you register for the program. Finally, you will be given access to their resource center through which you can use their computers, printers, fax machines, photocopiers, etc. for job search purposes. And because of COVID, most of these sessions which were either conducted in person before COVID are now conducted virtually, and you will be given remote support as per the COVID restrictions. Now let's go to my desktop where I will be showing you how to register for this particular program, and let's also check out their website and see what all are the upcoming videos and upcoming seminars that they have arranged for this month. So let's go and check it out. So guys, this is the URL to access the Toronto District School Board. I'll be giving the URL in the description box so you can directly take it from there. So guys, in this, as we know that there are 7 locations for the Next Step Employment Center in Toronto, Mississauga and Vaughan, and they offer free services to job seekers. So this is all the benefits that we already spoke about, and how to contact the Next Steps Employment Center nearest you, we'll see. So guys, for ease of making this particular video, I am restricting myself only to the Dundas Dixie location in Mississauga. So you can view their calendars here. You can see all the events that they had in the last month, in the current month. These are the events that they are having. As we see that there are a couple of live webinars also that they are conducting, and that they are having also pre-recorded some lectures. And in addition to this, there are many online video series also available. So you can choose to register. You can click here to register, and whatever you are interested in, you can opt for that. It's a very simple, straightforward Google form. You can choose the location of your choice. You can choose multiple workshops that you are interested in, and finally give your details, your number, and submit. So it's a pretty straightforward process. So guys, now let's see how to register for the Next Step Employment's free job search program that we discussed so far in this particular video. So this is the link. I have given it in the description box, so you can directly take it from there. It's a simple plain Google form, and let's see how to register for it. All it needs is your basic information like your name, email ID, phone number, and your preferred location. So guys, this is available only in Mississauga as of now. So you can choose either from the Meadowville location or the Dundas Dixie location. And you also have to mention what is your current status in Canada. Either you are a citizen, PR, convention refugee, international student, or others. So guys, one thing which I liked about this is even international students, refugees are also considered for this, because in order to be eligible to use their free services, you must be unemployed or be working less than 20 hours, and you must be either a citizen, PR, refugee, or international student, and must be legally allowed to work in Canada. So in addition to this, there will be certain other eligibility requirements which will be discussed with you one by one by one of their team members. So guys, this is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Before concluding the video, I would like to give a big shout out to the Toronto School District Board, Employment Ontario, and Next Step Employment Centers for their wonderful programs and the great initiative taken by them to help people in such uncertain times to find employment. So guys, keep up the good work and really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And with this, I end this particular video. I hope you like the contents of it, and if you really do, you know what to do. You have to like the video, comment on this video, share the video with as much people as possible, and don't forget to subscribe. So goodbye, take care, stay safe.